Dogecoin explodes because of this, $10 soon. Price prediction 2021. The crypto market plunged on last Friday, wiping out more than $200 billion of value from the entire market. At around 4 a.m., Bitcoin was down over 8% at $48,000. According to Coinmetrics data, it's the first time Bitcoin has traded below $50,000 since early March. Ethereum fell to $2,200, down more than 12%, and the Dogecoin too plunged nearly 40%. But is this the end of the bullish trend, or is it just a temporary drop before the big rally? Welcome back to our channel, and before we start, make sure to subscribe, drop a like for the video, and click that bell icon to get notified about our future uploads. Now that you've done that, let's jump right into the video. Dogecoin has been the talk of the crypto town in the month of April. On the first day of the month, it was trading in its usual 5-cent range. On April Fool's Day, Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted about the coin yet again. His tweet read, "SpaceX is going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon." Although the tweet was intended as a joke, it set the Shiba Inu-themed meme token on a rally like no other. Within 2 hours, the price rose by more than 35% to a peak of 7 cents. Before cooling off temporarily, but still holding on to its gains. The next spike in price came on April 14th, with the value of a single token doubling within a single day to break the 10-cent mark. This led Musk to again turn his attention toward the coin, tweeting a picture of the famous painting by Spanish artist Joan Miro, saying, "Doge barking at the moon." This tweet, along with the rising social sentiment, pushed the price to a high of 40 cents on April 16th. Kristen Boggiano, president and co-founder of a digital assets exchange Crosstower, gave several reasons behind the Dogecoin price surge. First, Coinbase listing has generated interest and buzz about crypto in general. Second, the popular Reddit forum, Our Wall Street Bets, changed their rules for a day to allow discussion of crypto, which included Doge. The price surge took Dogecoin all the way up to the ranking 5th in the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The market cap also briefly passed the $50 billion mark, which is a high figure for a coin that was conceived as a joke. Despite the already overvalued rate, fans of the coin decided to send its price to the moon on April 20th. They celebrated April 20th as Doge Day, with a symbolic push of the coin's price to 0.420. Even though it was just for a brief moment, the community did seemingly come together to push the price of Doge to its all-time high. The rise in retail interest in Dogecoin even led to a system outrage in Robinhood's trading app due to the overload of orders. To make the coin more accessible to retail investors on April 21st, Robinhood even reduced the minimum order size of Doge from 10 to 1. However, since that giddy peak, Doge slumped almost 32% to hit an intraday low of 28 cents in early trading on Wednesday, April 21st. The big dump was inevitable following the token's hype-fueled pump of 250% over the past week. Dogecoin investors on the cryptocurrency's Reddit believe that a price suppression is in effect what's keeping it from rising higher. They claim that a single whale is keeping the price of Doge down by selling off millions of the tokens every hour. They link to a BitInfoCharts profile to back up their claims. The top is gaining hefty traction on the subreddit with more than 7,000 upvotes and an 89% upvote rate. That means many Doge investors in the forum are buying into the idea that one large whale is responsible for the price suppression theory. However, not all users of the Dogecoin Reddit are sold on that idea. Another user says it's more of a case of multiple large investors selling off their stakes in Doge that has the price falling lower, not a single whale behind the Doge price suppression. This user points to the fact that the price rocketed higher and had to eventually fall to find a reference point price. Based on these estimates, the price of Dogecoin will settle somewhere around 35 cents. In addition to this, Tesla CEO Elon Musk believes that too many Dogecoins are held by too few whales and has made them a huge offer. He will give his full support if they sell most of their coins, and will even pay actual money for them to destroy their coins in some provable fashion. Although Musk did not clarify what he would like to see the Dogecoin whales do to exactly void their coins, and did not specify the dollar amount he is willing to pay them. The Tesla CEO could mean he would like to see the holders of the largest Dogecoin addresses burn their coins, sending them to addresses without private keys. As of now, according to the Dogecoin rich list on BitInfoCharts.com, one address holds 28.7% of all Doge. and the top 12 addresses collectively contain almost 50% of all Dogecoins. But despite the high concentration, Dogecoin is still surging in popularity and remains the star of the crypto market. And here are some experts' explanations as to why Dogecoin's price is ripping higher. One of the main reasons is that it has a huge celebrity endorsement. The most high-profile fan is Elon Musk, but others like Mark Cuban, Snoop Dogg, Mia Khalifa, and Gene Simmons have all jumped on the Doge bandwagon. Moreover, it has a large community of fans, some of whom have never invested before, and has a loyal Reddit following and is the source of many jokey memes. And precisely because it doesn't take itself seriously, beginner investors are less intimidated and happy to be part of the club. Another reason is that it's relatively cheap, and people who may feel like they missed out on the upside of Bitcoin are thinking that perhaps this is their shot, and the sentiment seems to be this: Bitcoin is for the rich, Ethereum is for the middle class, and Dogecoin is for the people. Guys, before we get into the predictions part, please keep in mind that cryptocurrencies are high-risk assets and are vulnerable to unexpected price shocks, so you should be prepared for the possibility of a sharp drop in Dogecoin's value. Now that you've got the idea, let's move on. Most of the predictions are based on the idea that there is a potential for the Doge price to rise if it continues to be adopted by cryptocurrency users and retailers. Some cryptocurrency observers expect that the price of the climb to $1 by the end of the year. Thus, the price prediction certainly looks promising as the digital currency displays fairly strong fundamentals for future investment. Partnerships and collaborations will add more value to the retail chains, leading to improved cryptocurrency adoption and predictions. The positive Dogecoin price prediction for the next 5 years forecasts that the price might reach the $10 mark. It is also important to consider that Dogecoin could actually turn into a usable currency for one simple reason: it is designed to increase its supply at a set absolute rate. This guarantees that for a long time the supply will increase at a fairly steady rate. As a result, the supply is considered inflationary, not deflationary like Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as well as many other alt currencies, has a hard cap on the number of crypto coins they will allow. Dogecoin does the opposite, allowing an increasing supply but at a steady absolute number each year. For example, by 2040, there will be no more Bitcoins able to be mined. As a result, this will encourage excessive hoarding of the supply of Bitcoins. This will push up the Bitcoin price but reduce the actual trading volume of the Bitcoins. In the case of Dogecoin, people will not be hoarding the supply, and it will tend to have a more practical usage in the economy. Well, with that, we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and comment down below what you think of Dogecoin. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.